welcome back. See you again. My name is Sabi Ramadhani. I'm tourist guide. I'm with my guest. You know that he's from Chinese. See, his name is Lim Yuk Yang. You know that. Well, I'm one of restaurant, one of my city, my city Banda nowadays. But I'm so sorry because talking about that, when I invite a lot of foreigners all over for another state, knocking them, and then every corner around the world, I invite them. You know that? As the race guy, you know, just to show up every location, every places, every, lot of cafe, a lot of restaurants. You know that? This is so awesome. Like restaurant in Jakarta, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Burma, Myanmar, then a lot of places in Asia. Totally awesome. Alright, do not forget to come to my country. I am a tourist guide. I'm gonna have a guide, you know that? Even though I really even though a little speak about Chinese, but I do not know about Chinese exactly. But talking about Spanish, yeah, it's okay. Just poco aprendí español, poquito. Para mí, español es muy fácil, pero es de inglés difícil. Alright, do not forget to my country. My country is our tourism number one in Asia and all the world. Because after tsunami disaster, very totally awesome. Alright, do not forget to subscribe my channel. I want waiting for you. Bye bye.